All right, this here is our last card, and we're going to be using some colored sprays to color the die cuts and move all the color around, and then we are going to glitter them. So this is the die set that we're going to be using, and once again, it doesn't necessarily need to be this set. You could do all 3 cards with exactly the same set, or different flowers, or even something other than flowers. So we're going to die cut them. I obviously already had my dies laid out. And once again, I am doing it with watercolor paper because it takes the moisture really well. For this one, because we are spraying it and not watercoloring it, a mixed media paper probably would work just as well. But like I said before, I'm just using watercolor for all 3. So I'm going to move my leaf pieces to the side because those don't need anything. Oh, they actually do need something glued onto them. So 1 second. That one doesn't. This one does. It's still in the die, that's why I can't see it. All right, so let's poke this out of the die. I have a little piercing tool here, but you could even use like a little thumbtack. I often use that when I can't find my tool or I haven't put it where it is supposed to go. So this one just goes right on top of the leaf there, adding a little bit more dimension. All right, poke all these pieces out here. This piece goes in the center. Here, I'm just going to take a moment and organize everything so it's all laid out so it takes less time. All right, all organized. So we're going to glue all of these pieces on top of the backings just like the last 2 cards. And these dies, just like the last ones, it has a little outline exactly where all the pieces are supposed to be going. So it makes it very easy to know where the puzzle pieces fit in. A little bit too much glue on that one, but that'll be okay. So like I said before, we're going to be glittering, or not glittering, we're going to be using colored sprays for this particular one, and then we are going to glitter them. So the very first step after we've glued these all together and let the glue dry is we are going to use the color sprays to color them, and then we're going to let that completely dry before we glitter them, because the spray it's not adhesive, so the glitter wouldn't stick to the spray. Like it would temporarily stick, but once it was dry, you would be able to just pick it right off. So we definitely don't want to have our glitter falling off of our card. That one is done, and missed the center part here. And there we go. All right, we're gonna let these dry completely. I'm gonna poke the holes out of that one there. I'm gonna let these dry completely, and I will see you in the next video, and we are going to start color spraying our flowers.